Have you ever wondered how excess recovery works in U.S. car insurance? It's a question that has crossed many minds, yet the answer remains elusive to most. Today, we're going to demystify this concept and show how it can be a game changer in your financial planning. Understanding excess recovery can help you save money, dodge unnecessary expenses, and make the most of your car insurance. So buckle up as we drive into the world of excess recovery. First off, what exactly is excess recovery? Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine you're involved in a car accident and you're making a claim on your insurance. There's usually an initial amount that you, as the policyholder, are expected to pay. This is what we call the excess. Now, the process of excess recovery is essentially reclaiming this excess amount. Think of it as a type of refund. You've paid your excess up front, and then, through the process of excess recovery, you're trying to get that money back. It's a part of the insurance claim process that can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but it's really about ensuring that you're not out of pocket more than necessary. The excess is there to share the risk between you and your insurance company, but in some instances it's possible to recover it. In simple words, excess recovery is getting back the money you paid up front during a claim. Now that we know what excess recovery is, how does it work? Well, let's dive into the process. Imagine you've been involved in an accident. It's a bummer, right? But that's why you have insurance. You pay the excess, which is a predetermined amount you agreed upon when you signed your policy. This is your part of the financial responsibility. After you've paid the excess, you make a claim with your insurer. Now here's where things get interesting. If you aren't at fault for the accident, your insurance company doesn't just shrug and move on. Oh no, they go to bat for you. They strive to recover the excess you've paid from the at-fault party's insurer. And if they're successful in their recovery efforts, they won't just hoard that money. They will reimburse you, putting that money right back into your pocket where it belongs. So essentially, excess recovery is a way to get your money back if you weren't at fault in an accident. Now that we have a clear understanding of excess recovery, let's summarize the main points. Excess recovery at its core is the process of reclaiming the upfront amount you've had to pay to your insurance provider when making a claim. This is the excess on your policy, a predetermined figure that you agreed to when setting up your insurance. The recovery part comes in when it's determined that you weren't at fault for the accident. Understanding this concept is crucial, as it can lead to significant financial savings and ensure you're getting the most out of your insurance policy. Being aware of how excess recovery works can indeed help you make informed decisions about your policy. It highlights the importance of reading the fine print and knowing what you're getting into when you sign that dotted line. One of the most important points to remember is that if you weren't at fault in an accident, you could get your excess amount reimbursed. This is a critical part of the insurance process that many car owners overlook. But it's a process that can potentially put money back into your pocket. In conclusion, excess recovery is a fundamental aspect of car insurance that every policyholder should understand. It's not just about paying your premiums on time. It's also about knowing how to reclaim what's rightfully yours when the situation calls for it. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding excess recovery, you can make the most of your car insurance policy.